Hello, I am Renee Thomas with Sockeye Consulting, and I am a construction software specialist. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the lead tracking feature in Sage Construction Management. So, once we get into the Sage Construction Management system, we're going to go on the sidebar, we'll click Leads, and we open up to the Lead Info page. One of the first sections of information regarding your tracking of leads is going to be the upcoming leads due. This calendar can contain anything from your bid due date to your client, as well as due dates for RFPs that you have received from your vendors or subcontractors. So this calendar can include all of that. That way you can be ahead of the game and make sure that you're not missing any due dates or needing to request information before those due dates come about. You also have your lead stats, which tells you any active leads or inactive leads. The last stage analysis is trailing 90 days, but it tells you how many bids have been submitted and what the amount of those bids adds up to. The other portion is active leads checkup, which will tell you any leads that don't have a salesperson or bid contact, drawings, specifications, estimates. It's just a quick glance of items that need to be updated. You also can see that if there have been any changes to any leads in the past 7 days. The major robust part of the lead tracking system in Sage Construction Management is the new lead analytics. So the analytics are broken down by both all stages or the last stage summaries, and they are broken down by either bid contact, classification, PM contact, or salesperson. So we're going to look at the all stages summary by salesperson. As you can see, the analytics shows up and it breaks down these funnels for each of the salesperson. So if you highlight, you can see how many they're bidding on, how many are awarded, and how many have been lost. And it does that for each individual salesperson. So you get a really good general view of how the selling is going with each of your salespeople. So it allows you the ability to take a really good look at what's going on. Also, the summary can be broken down by level as well. So it gives you your bidding, your bid submitted, your awarded, your bid lost, and the grand total. So it gives you a breakdown of how much money is actually being valued for each of your salespeople, and then it also breaks down whether those are awarded, lost, or just submitted bids at this time. So it does a really good job of breaking down your leads and where they're at in a very concise and robust manner. We can also look at things in the last stage, and again, I'll do that by salesperson. So as you can see, it's broken down. It has your lead count, it has your lead value, and then it has it broken down by each of your salespeople. So you can see where everybody lands, whether they're bidding, awarded, lost, or bid submitted. It's just a different way to visualize everything. So it gives you a really good idea of where your leads are all at, and then it also breaks it down by salespeople. You can also do this where it's broken down by classification, so you can start to see where your projects are being won in certain areas of the construction industry. If you put classification in, whether it is you're doing much better in residential or if you're doing much better in commercial. So it just gives you direction and how you want to go about moving forward with where you're putting most of your resources in terms of getting projects awarded to you. Thanks, guys.